I had a question, like, since a lot of people do Hajj when they're older
Mhm.
and, when they're not physically fit, let's
Mhm.
say if they commence the journey of Hajj and midway, due to an unforeseen event or due to some issue, they have to exit it. Do they
Mhm.
have to perform the like Hajj again, or how does that go about if like due to
So, I mean,
unforeseen event?
right, I understand. So, I mean, for any genuine reason, if you are not able to offer Hajj, you turn back during the journey or just after reaching. It's like an unfinished business. And I mean, you just go back. And that is all. If you're ever able to come back in your own life to offer it, well and good. Otherwise, as I just said earlier on, if circumstances do not permit you, then hopefully, inshallah, you'll get the reward of your intention. But your effort to do it is should be on priority. I mean, you should try to make up for that. You should try to do that again. Of course, giving due consideration to your health, to other financial and physical constraints. So if you're not able to do it again, so as I said, you might get the reward of your intention. But if you have the chance to do it, then that is something that you should try to avail.